Alright, in this next section we are going to have to remove the the driver's right side foot peg and brake. So we're going to just take that off, set it to the side. That's going to help us get to the heat shield and take off the plastic and be able to get to the pipe so we can unscrew a bolt so we can slip the pipe right out. Alright, so go ahead and take your 10 millimeter and get it in here. This probably will be tight. Might have to get out our torque wrench. Oh, nope, don't have to. Loosen that one, and let's go ahead and loosen this one. There you go, and go ahead and screw the bolts, the big ones. And set that to the side in a nice safe spot. Okay, now we are going to have to disconnect our heat shield right here and set that to the side. So go ahead and get out our different set of Allen wrenches. Okay, now that we got that unscrewed, let's go ahead and take off our plastic right here using our 5 millimeter. It's connected to the heat shield, and we need to remove this heat shield right here, that silver plastic, or silver aluminum heat shield. So go ahead and take the screws off for this one. And there's one more right here. Alright, and we'll go ahead and set that in a nice safe spot. Alright, got one more screw down here that's connected to our heat shield. We're going to take this one off. Okay, we have one more bolt right here that's connecting to our heat shield, and we're going to take this off using our 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and unscrew that one. Use your Allen wrench and pull it off. You really don't need too many tools, just a few sockets and Allen wrenches. There's just a lot of bolts that you got to take off with it. Alright, and let's go ahead and remove our heat shield. It's nice and loose. There you go. And go ahead and pull it out. And now we're really close to our pipe now. We're going to unscrew this and go and take our pipe off next.